So for this lesson, you guys get to be really, really creative, and you are going to be creating 3 stories, 2 of which are what we call fake news stories. So you can get really creative here or do your own research. So if I need some help, I want to go to a current event. You might be familiar with like the clickbait stories, and maybe you want to use those. Or as I said, get creative. So first start off with a search. So maybe I'm going to do one on election fraud, or I can just get creative and, like I said, come up with my own. Maybe you want to do something about, let's say, an animal invasion, something that's going to seem far-fetched, but maybe not, like insect invasion of a certain city. This is an obvious one with we talk about fake news and fact-checking, this whole idea of election fraud. That's a possibility, but you have to create your own headline. What I'm going to do is I would type in Adobe Spark video or use your actual Flipgrid. There's a link to Adobe Spark, and you're going to create a video, and you use a headline here after you've figured out what your stories are. So you simply log in, and I would go with a video, start off with a video like this. And most of you used Adobe Spark before. So you want to create the video with some headline stories. So there's an easy way of doing this, and that is, let's see, we're going to go with, there's different things you're going to do. I'm going to just start from scratch. Okay, so I need to start from scratch, and I'm going to create a story. I'm going to, what I would do is, if you want to get creative, like I said, just look for something that might be somewhat crazy. So I'm going to start off with this. I'm going to look for a picture, and okay, so I get a little creative here. So I'm going to use this right here. I'm going to create a headline here. Okay, simply by saying that these colored lizards invaded some city. I make a city somewhere, and that's my headline. Okay, what I'm trying to do is convince people that this indeed was a invasion of colored lizards. So with this, then once I've created the story, I want to put a text headline as well, make it look official. I could put a source of information to try to convince people, maybe it's CNN, some network or something like that. Use the text, put it somewhere. Once I'm all done with that, I want to download this. First of all, I'm going to record. I want to say what the story is, and that should take all of 10-15 seconds. I just want to give it a title. Then I do this for 3 stories. Remember, 1 is actually factual, 2 are not. Then I click on download. It's going to download this to your computer. And once it's downloaded, you then are going to upload it to your Flipgrid. And you do that by simply clicking on upload video.